Personal hygiene and sanitation. Since a healthy man is a great wealth for this world, knowing the difference between sanitation and hygiene is important as these terms are linked with health. People cannot dream of healthiness without these two words, hygiene and sanitation. Hygiene is a concept related to cleanliness, health, and medicine. It is a practice of keeping oneself and surrounding clean in order to prevent infection, diseases, and remain healthy. Personal hygiene is how you care for your body. Every day you come into contact with millions of outside germs and viruses. They can linger on your body and in some cases they make you sick. Personal hygiene practices can help you and the people around you prevent illness. Germs on your hand can easily enter your body through your mouth, nose, and eyes. So, during this pandemic, maintain a habit of washing your hands when you handle food, before you eat, when you sneeze, and after entering home from public places. Current evidences indicates that the COVID-19 virus is transmitted through respiratory droplets or in contact with the infected. The virus can also be transferred from one surface to another by contaminated hands, which facilitates indirect contact transmission. Consequently, hand hygiene is extremely important to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Sanitation is important to keep yourself clean. If you are healthy, you can help to build a strong society. The process of keeping places free from dirt, infection, and diseases. Good sanitation can prevent serious diseases. However, poor sanitation gives many infections, the ideal opportunity to spread causing diseases and illness in the community. 4 ways that would prevent yourself and others from COVID-19. Pay attention to personal hygiene. Yes, we know you have heard all this a million times already. It bears repeating, but we do know it spreads through respiratory droplets produced when infected person cough or sneeze, and when an individual is in contact with infected person. So be cautious, wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds and sanitize yourselves. Practice social distancing is exactly what it sounds like, keeping your distance from other people. It's often used to describe public health measures imposed by local governments. Measures like quarantining the sick, closing schools, and cancelling public gatherings. If you have to meet with someone in person, stay at least 6 feet apart and find an alternative greeting. Wear a mask. Your mask protects others and their mask protects you. Keep surfaces clean. We know that the virus is susceptible to disinfectant. Clean high-touched surfaces and horizontal surfaces such as door handles, light switches, kitchen tables, desktops, etc. Do not reuse disinfectant wipes on multiple surfaces. This can transfer germs from the used wipes to other surfaces. Here are some cleaning and hygienic steps to protect against COVID-19. Wear disposable gloves if available. Clean bed sheets and cloths regularly. Try to go out when there are fewer people. Cook food to recommended temperature. Use separate chopping boards. Remove unnecessary packaging. Packaging can be wiped with disinfectant before being opened. So, finally, I conclude as this virus is likely to be with us for many months. Developing these habits is a good long-term strategy for keeping our community healthy. So, good hygiene and proper sanitation practices are habits that never go out of season. Better sanitation is possible, but it all starts with me and you.